You know, I've been talking about supplements a lot recently because there has been this big shift in the supplement world. It is moving away from one-size-fits-all supplements to bio-individualized supplements, meaning that the blend of supplements that you take is based on your genetic data, your lifestyle, your environment, and even your microbiome. That's what we're going to talk about in today's episode. Now this is where it gets really cool. And so why should we all be taking the same supplement? Why should you be taking a supplement that's meant for somebody else? You see, supplements should be personalized. They should be custom made for you. And that's where DNA testing comes into play. It means that instead of just telling you about your ancestry or where your ancestors came from, Life DNA actually tells you about your genes and how those genes affect you. They use the latest technology to sequence your DNA, and their test is 99.9% accurate. Plus, their customer service is top-notch. If you have any questions about your results, you can always reach out to their team of experts and they'll be happy to help. Let's talk about how DNA testing can be used to create a custom supplement blend for you. When you think about it, it makes perfect sense. It can tell you how your body handles certain toxins. It can tell you how your body responds to stress, and it can even tell you how your body ages. You can be assured that you're getting exactly what you need. All of this information can be used to create a custom supplement blend that is perfect for you. You order a DNA test from Life DNA, and when you get your results, you can work with a genetic counselor or a health coach to develop a custom supplement plan that is perfect for you. You see, we all have different lifestyles, different diets, different environments, and different microbes. Or if you live in a polluted area, you might need a different supplement than someone who lives in a clean area. That means taking into account your genetics, your lifestyle, your diet, your environment, your microbes when choosing a supplement. Or if you have a different microbiome than someone else, you might need a different supplement than them. And all of these factors can affect the type of supplements that we need. After all, we all have different genetics, different lifestyles, different diets, different environments, and different microbes. I hope it helps you understand the importance of taking a bio-individualized approach to supplementation. Don't settle for a one-size-fits-all supplement. Take the time to find a supplement that's perfect for you. A supplement that takes into account your genetics, your lifestyle, your diet, your environment, and your microbes. I hope it helps you understand that one size does not fit all. I've also included a link to Life DNA so you can order your own DNA test. There are now many different companies that can help you personalize your supplements. These companies will ask you a series of questions, and then they'll put together a custom supplement blend that is perfect for you. What are my genetic risks? What is my lifestyle like? What do I eat? Where do I live? And what is my microbiome like? Once you have the answers to these questions, you can start to narrow down the type of supplements that you need. Well, then you might want to take a supplement that has anti-inflammatory properties. Or let's say you have a gene that makes you less able to metabolize certain toxins. Well, then you might want to take a supplement that helps you detoxify those toxins. Or let's say you have a gene that makes you more prone to allergies. If you're a vegan, you'll want to look for supplements that are plant-based. And if you live in a polluted area, you'll want to look for supplements that help you detoxify toxins. Well, then you might want to take a supplement that supports your immune system. So why should we all be taking the same supplement? Life DNA is also different because they offer a complete health assessment. When you get your results, you'll get a full report on your overall health, including your risk for certain diseases, your nutritional needs, and even your fitness level. What if you had a supplement blend that was custom made just for you? What if it was based on your own individual needs? Let's start with the basics. Let's say you want to lose weight. Are they really going to tell me everything they say they will? And the answer is yes. Yes, they are. There are many different DNA testing companies out there, but the one that I like the best is called Life DNA. Wouldn't it be better to take a supplement that was based on our own individual needs? The answer is yes. Of course it would. And that's where DNA testing comes in. You go to the store and you pick up a weight loss supplement. But the problem is that weight loss supplement is not custom made for you. It's made for the masses. It's made for a population. It can tell you how your body processes certain nutrients, how your body handles certain toxins, how your body responds to stress, and even how your body ages. For example, let's say you have a gene that makes you more susceptible to inflammation. Well, then you might want to take a supplement that has anti-inflammatory properties. Or let's say you have a gene that makes you less able to metabolize certain toxins. Well, then you might want to take a supplement that helps you detoxify those toxins. It's made for an average person, so it might work for some people, but it might not work for you. The reason is that we are all bio-individuals. We all have different genetics, different lifestyles, different diets, different environments, different microbes. DNA testing can tell you things about your body that you never knew before. Now, I know what you're thinking. This all sounds too good to be true. Like, are these DNA tests really accurate? Life DNA is different from other DNA testing companies because they focus on functional genetics. What does that mean? I've done quite a bit of research on DNA testing, and I've talked to a lot of experts in the field, and I can tell you that Life DNA is the real deal. Okay, now let's get back to the show. Now that we've covered the basics, let's take it up a notch. Wouldn't it be better to take a supplement that was custom made for us? As I mentioned earlier, DNA testing can tell you a lot about your body. It can tell you how your body processes certain nutrients. For example, let's say you have a gene that makes you more susceptible to inflammation. With a custom supplement blend, you don't have to worry about taking the wrong supplement or taking the right supplement in the wrong dosage. So how do you get started? Well, it's simple. But DNA testing isn't the only way to personalize your supplements. For example, if you're a vegan, you might need a different supplement than someone who eats meat. That's why it's important to take a holistic approach to supplementation. So how do you do that? Well, it's simple. Just ask yourself a few questions. For example, if you're genetically predisposed to inflammation, you'll want to look for supplements that have anti-inflammatory properties. It might seem like a lot of work, but it doesn't have to be. One company that offers this service is a company called. You'll be able to input all of your information, including your DNA test results. And they'll use that information to create a custom supplement blend that's perfect for you. I know that there's a lot of information to take in here, but I hope this gives you a good starting point. Remember, you are unique, and your supplement regimen should be too. If you want to learn more about this topic, I've included a ton of resources in the description below. Thank you for watching. Until next time.